Hello everyone, in today's video I'll be showcasing my most recent project, a custom 3D printed 009 locomotive. The first thing I did was give the whole model an undercoat. I used warm grey acrylic paint, which you can buy at Hobbycraft for about £5. As you can see, I used tweezers to hold the model as not to rub any paint off. I then mixed 2 parts blue paint and 1 part yellow paint to create a dark green colour. After letting the undercoat dry for about 20 minutes, I began painting on the green. Also, as a little note, please wait for it to dry. Don't use a hairdryer, it will only end badly. At this point, I'm just trying to cover the model as best as I can without leaving any gaps. Now, I've decided to pick out the running plate in quite a nice red, as I feel this would complement the green. Here we are, the final outcome. I've added a little person to represent a driver, which I think looks pretty good. Anyway, thanks very much for watching, and I hope you enjoyed.